welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. I'm gonna get right into the video of today, which is gonna be a Trollbeads haul. I'm very excited to share these pieces with you. These were items that I got with the help of Linda, or LSN2, from Instagram as well as here in YouTube. Linda was so kind to help me get these pieces from a store close to her that is no longer actively selling Trollbeads. So all the pieces that I got were 50% discount. I'm very excited because I'm gonna be sharing with you my first Trollbeads stone, so I'm very happy about that. And then after I finish sharing with you the pieces that I got with the help of Linda, I'm gonna be sharing with you what I got from a mystery box that I purchased from the store in Willow Bend in Texas. So I'm very excited for all this. Some of the pieces that I'm gonna be sharing with you are still actively on the Trollbeads catalog. Some of them I already retired and basically gone, but some others you can still find on the Trollbeads website, although it is retired. Case in point, the one that I'm gonna be showing you first, and it is the gorgeous, adorable little swan. I had this charm on my wish list, and Linda sent me pictures of the things they had at the store, and as soon as I saw him, I knew I had to grab him. Look at his face, it's so cute, so beautiful, with the beak, the eyes, and then of course you have the wings with the details of the feathers. Oh, it is amazing. If you place him on a bracelet, of course it will be like this, sideways, but you can also put him on a fantasy necklace and he will be facing up. Isn't he cute? I love him. And then at the bottom you have the S925 inscription as well as the LAA. And I don't know if you can see, the hole is actually in the shape of the heart. I don't know if you can see, but the hole where you put your bracelet or your necklace, it is actually in a shape of a heart. So adorable. So that was the first piece I got with the help of Linda. The next piece I'm gonna show you is another retired item, but that sometimes can still be found on the website, Trollbeads website, and it is the Grab Around feather. So nice. I had this one also on my wish list, and actually now that I'm seeing it in person, I think I want another one. I have seen this one on Linda herself, and then also on Ilona from my Pandora moments. She also had an Instagram page dedicated to Trollbeads, but it is so beautiful. I love the details of the oxidization, of course, and I think it will be really nice to put it next to glass beads, you know, to have silver charms in between, and I absolutely love it. So let me put it next to the swan. The next piece I'm gonna share with you is actually my first Trollbeads stone, and I wanted to get this stone since the moment I started collecting Trollbeads. So when I saw it from Linda's picture, I knew that I had to get it, and this one is the faceted chalcedony. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely amazing. Look at how much that shines. And I love the milky shade of it, but that, you know, it is a very light blue. Stunning. This one is still part of the regular collection, so you can still get it, but I'm actually so in love with it. Look at it from the side. I love the way it shines, and to me it is amazing. So I can't wait to design with this piece, which I think I'm gonna be using with many designs through the year. So I absolutely love it, and I'm so excited and thankful for Linda for helping me get my first stone. All right, so let me put it next to these other two pieces. The next one is also still part of the collection, and I have actually to take a look at the name. It is one of the chakras. I have mentioned here that I want to collect all the pieces from Trollbeads, the glass piece that have 14K gold around it, and this one is one of them. This is the throat chakra. I just check it out. The throat chakra is the one that has blue, and then you see the swirl of gold, which is actually 14K gold. Look at that color. Isn't that amazing? I already own the one that is pink and the one that is light blue, and I thought, you know, why not get this one next? I want to get all of them, and I'm just very happy that I have this one now. Let me go and get the other two that I have so we can compare them with this one. So here they are. The first two are already retired, so we have the pink and the light blue, and then this is the chakra. Look at how beautiful these are, guys. I love them, and I want to collect them all because, you know, of course, you guys know I like two tones, I like gold, and I think this would be amazing to design on my bracelets. So yeah, so we have the throat chakra. The next one that I'm gonna be sharing with you is my other stone, the other stone that I got from Linda, and this one is already retired. I haven't seen it on the website in a long time, so I don't know if you can still find it, maybe in some store, but this one is the golden quartz. Look at that beautiful shade. I know you can still find the smoky quartz, which is darker. This one is more golden, as the word suggests, and I absolutely love it. I think it's gonna be really nice paired with my pieces that have, you know, those threads of gold. I absolutely love it, and I'm so glad that I was able to get this piece. Look at it from the side. If you look, like, you know, if I put it like this with my fingers, it's kind of dark, but then if I move my finger, you will see that it's more golden. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy to have them on my collection. So those are my first two Trollbeads stones, and of course I want to collect more of them. And the last piece I'm gonna share with you that Linda helped me get is actually my first flower of the month. So I'm very excited about that because I want to collect them all. This one was the last one that she had in her store, and this is the Daffodils of March. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful. And in fact, Linda recently did a video for here in YouTube where she shared all the flowers of the month because she has the entire collection. I asked her some time ago if she could share those with us, and she actually did. It is a beautiful video, so you can check it out. Perhaps I can include it here on the info box down below so you can go right away and watch it. But it is a beautiful collection, and you know, I'm very happy that, you know, I started collecting them with this one. So this particular one would always remind me of Linda because she helped me get it, so I'm very happy about that. The characteristic of the flowers of the month, if you don't know, is that they're all flowers, of course, but they have a hidden pearl like this one. So nice. And this one, beautiful daffodils with the stem and the leaf around it, like, you know, wrapping the bead itself. It's just amazing. So you have 1 and 2 daffodils, and in between them you have, yeah, sort of in between them you have the pearl. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Linda, for helping me get all these gorgeous pieces for my Trollbeads collection. Right, so the last pieces that I'm going to be sharing with you are actually some pieces that I got from a mystery box. I contacted the store that I typically purchase Trollbeads from, since my store closed here in Puerto Rico, and it is the store at Random Mall in Florida. However, when I contacted them, they were sold out of all 12 boxes. And then I got a message on Instagram from the store at Willow Bend, and they said that they learned from a little bird that I was looking at getting a mystery box, so I decided to purchase one from them. For those of you who don't know, a mystery box is a box that you purchase with $50, and you get things in here that are valued at least at $72 or more. So let's see what I got. So I got a never-ending bead, which is the one on the left, and then a summer beast bead. I already have this one. In fact, let me get it for you. I have my jewelry box here that I use for my Trollbeads. This is the one that I got first. I bought this one myself some time ago. And you know, I'm gonna be honest with you, with Trollbeads, I decided that I didn't want to get duplicates because I think with Trollbeads there's enough variety of glass beads that you can create bracelets using them. So for me, there's no need to get duplicates. But since this was a mystery box, I got another one, and I thought, you know, I could put one on a bracelet and the other one on my fantasy necklace, or maybe, who knows, maybe I could do a giveaway with one of them. It is all right. But of course, the never-ending bead, I didn't have it on my collection, so let me get it out so I can share with you. So here you have the summer beast bead that I got, and the other one that I already had. And looking at them closer, I see that the faces on the beads are different. So the one on the right, which is the one that I got from Willow Bend, has a yellow face, and the other one has like a brown face. So I'm wondering if they're both actually summer bees, or if one of them, the one on the left, for example, is a unique. I'm not sure. So that's interesting. So there you see the comparison between the two. And I feel that this one has the bees, like the face is kind of raised. I don't know if you can tell right there. This one as well. So yeah, both of them are kind of raised, perhaps where they have the eyes, like you could see right there. So yeah, just beautiful. I'm obsessed with these lately, so yeah, I love them. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Here are the pieces that I have gotten recently from Trollbeads. I'm so thankful to Linda for helping me get these beauties and for taking from her time to actually go to the store and be patient and shop for me. I'm so happy about getting all these items. I have said in the past that I'm falling more and more with Trollbeads, and yeah, it hasn't stopped. Look at these gorgeous pieces. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think of Trollbeads and if you have any on your collection. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, as I always say, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate having you here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Gracias.